How to be an NFT artist. Getting started with Binance NFT Marketplace. TLDR. Non-fungible tokens (NFTs) can be used to digitally represent nearly anything, including videos, event tickets, and virtual real estate. Still, perhaps the most prominent NFT use case is digital art. Many marketplaces allow aspiring digital artists to sell their work, which contributes to more people getting interested in becoming NFT artists. Below are a few tips on how you can digitize and monetize your artwork to become an NFT artist on platforms such as the Binance NFT Marketplace. Introduction. NFTs are a unique class of digital assets that can represent digital or real-world items. Each NFT has a unique token ID that makes them easily distinguishable. Unlike Bitcoin and other fungible assets, NFTs are non-fungible, meaning they aren't interchangeable with one another. Thanks to NFTs' unique features, artists can benefit when they create and sell their art in the form of NFTs. Apart from being able to easily establish proof of ownership and authenticity, NFTs allow artists to earn royalties more conveniently, without the need for an agency or manager. What is NFT art? In short, NFT art refers to any piece of art that is created as a digital token in a blockchain network. These tokens are called non-fungible tokens or NFTs. NFTs are typically created using smart contracts that adhere to specific standards. One of the most popular standards is Ethereum's ERC-721, which requires all tokens to possess unique token IDs to ensure non-fungibility. Due to their non-fungibility, NFTs can represent ownership and create financial value for digital artworks. In a world that has seen fake art scandals shock entire nations, NFT art can help empower artists who worry about art forgery. Through blockchain technology, artists can easily prove they are the creator of a particular piece of art. Among the different types of NFTs in the crypto market today, perhaps the most common one is NFT art. You may have heard of a famous NFT artist, Beeple, who made waves with his NFT art sale that fetched a whopping $69 million. Grimes, a multi-hyphenate artist, reportedly sold $6 million worth of digital art as NFTs. Indeed, NFT artwork can be sold for millions apiece in NFT art auctions that resemble traditional ones. Why do people become NFT artists? Because NFT art is digital, exhibitions are no longer constrained to physical spaces like museums and art galleries, allowing artists to show off their creations anywhere in the world. This can enable artists' work to transcend geographical boundaries and gain worldwide recognition. Apart from venturing into a modern, new art format, another important reason for creating art via NFTs is that you can easily verify their authenticity. Due to the unique ID of each NFT artwork and the immutability of the blockchain, the ownership and authenticity of every NFT artwork can be preserved. NFT artists would also be pleased to know that their art can be exhibited and sold without going through any third parties, allowing them to avoid middleman fees that can often eat into their earnings. Some platforms like Binance NFT Marketplace allow artists to earn passive income via royalty fees. This means that NFT creators can earn a percentage of every NFT sale, even when it happens between users on the secondary market. Finally, the beauty of the NFT art scene is that anyone can create and sell their artwork. Unlike traditional art galleries, many NFT marketplaces are inclusive. This environment gives budding artists the chance to be independent and make a living out of their passion. Downsides of being an NFT artist. While its popularity has been increasing, NFTs are still not considered a mainstream art form. As it's still early days, established NFT artists may not be able to find keen buyers as quickly as traditional buyers from art galleries. Furthermore, Because anyone can be an NFT creator, the marketplace where you intend to sell your artwork may be saturated compared to exclusive art galleries with hand-picked art. You may need to build your fanbase and establish value behind your artwork to increase your chances of succeeding as an NFT artist. Read our blog about how to become a creator in the Web3 space for more tips on marketing your NFT creations. How to be an NFT artist. It's easy to get started on your NFT art journey. Step 1. Begin creating art pieces. You can find inspiration in other NFT art collections out there. Step 2. Go to a platform like Binance NFT Marketplace and upload your digital art to the blockchain. Step 3. You're all set to start selling your NFT art. Minting and selling NFT art on Binance NFT Marketplace. Verified users can create an NFT or collection of NFTs on Binance Marketplace through a process called minting. Note that you need at least 2 followers on your Binance NFT user profile before you can start minting. Step 1. Log into your account on the Binance NFT Marketplace and click Create. Step 2. Enter the details of your new collection. This will include the collection name, a brief description, a logo and banner image, as well as a symbol. You can also choose to bind a wallet to your artwork so you can prove ownership on NFT marketplaces. Step 3. Read and agree to the Binance NFT minting rules and terms of service and click Create. For more information, please view the Binance NFT sales settlement postponement policy for standard NFT collections. Step 4. You will receive an email notification once your collection is ready. Step 5. To view your NFT art collection, go to User Center Created. There, you can also edit certain details of your collection. For a more detailed guide or a video tutorial, visit How to Create Your NFT on Binance NFT Marketplace FAQ. Closing thoughts. If you're thinking about monetizing your art, consider converting your work into NFTs. Not only is it easy to do on Binance NFT Marketplace, but it also gives you the opportunity to enter the NFT art scene, even if you're not an established artist yet. Risk warning. Digital asset prices are subject to high market risk and price volatility. The value of your investment can go down or up, and you may not get back the amount invested. You are solely responsible for your investment decisions and Binance is not liable for any losses you may incur. Past performance is not a reliable predictor of future performance. You should only invest in products you are familiar with and where you understand the risks. You should carefully consider your investment experience, financial situation, investment objectives and risk tolerance and consult an independent financial advisor prior to making any investment. This material should not be construed as financial advice. For more information, see our terms of use and risk warning.